Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. But in today's video, there will be no DIY tutorial as I had been out, so I really didn't get time to record one. But surely this week one video I will be uploading, that is maybe tomorrow or the after. But in today's video, I would like to tell you about one of my friend's channel which was hacked about 24 days ago. I also put a community post in my channel that is a few days ago, so please do check it, and I will be telling you few details of it even in this video. That is it was hacked about 24 days ago, and uh, the hacker changed his channel name, icon, the channel art, literally everything, even the about section, and each and every video description was changed to just a dot. So he has done a lot of damage to the channel, and also he has uploaded more than 11k spam videos, due to which YouTube terminated the channel. But one advantage is that it has been terminated by YouTube, so we are hoping to get it back soon, fingers crossed. So yeah, he's lucky that the hacker didn't delete the channel, so that is one advantage. So let's hope for the best, and we'll pray that he gets his channel back soon. But until then guys, he has started a new channel, that is Footprints 2.0. so he's almost reaching 1k. So guys, let us support him. You can see the link here, and also I will be putting it in the description below, so do check it, check his channel, and if you like his content, please do subscribe and support him. And that's it for today's video. Thank you, and let's wait for our next video, that will be maybe tomorrow or the after. So see you all in the next video. Bye.